Good evening, everyone. Welcome to this special Zoom live today. Hi, Radha. Good evening. Hi, Sapna. Good evening. Very happy to see you. Guys, please keep your videos on if possible. That would be really great. And today is a very special Zoom live, and I think this is the last Zoom live of this year 2024. And before we end this year, there are so many amazing topics I would like to talk about today. एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड। आज का जो टॉपिक है बहुत स्पेशल है। एंड चाहे आप इंडिया में हो, बाहर से हो, चाहे आपकी एज 20 हो, 30 हो, 40 हो, इट डजेंट मैटर। Today's session is going to help you to make 2025 the best year of your life. Yes. Today I'm going to share with you so many amazing things which will help you a lot in the coming days, months, and years. So, yes, please keep your diary and pen ready with you. बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट थोड़ा सा वेट करेंगे, सबको ज्वाइन होने दो 5 मिनट 10 मिनट, ठीक है। आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू have a normal like one-to-one talk with you guys. How are you? How was your 3 days workshop experience? I can see a lot of people joining. And guys, please keep your videos on if possible. That would be great. So देखते हैं कौन कौन है यहाँ पे। कृति है इधर। हाय कृति, गुड इवनिंग, कैम छो?
Oh, good evening. I'm good. How are you?
Doing fantastic, excited for the new years.
Yes,
आप
excited for your sessions and your new things. When we get a message that, okay, sir is starting something new or a surprise from sir, it's always like, ooh, it's something amazing.
थैंक यू सो मच। सो आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, कैसा था आपका एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दिस 3 days स्मॉल ड्रीम लाइफ वर्कशॉप? हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
Amazing, sir. Amazing. I had previously joined a 30 days magical workshop and I'm going to implement it this year also. All the things. I have my diary specially for you, like Mohit sir's diary. All your learnings and teachings in that. And I will use that. Even these 3 days, whatever you taught, that was also a new thing. Like, taking the power, putting whatever things you have achieved, that was really amazing. While writing only, we could feel that okay, yeah, we have achieved it. We felt that power, and because of that we are like, okay, we can achieve more goals. We get that inspiration. You are an inspiration for us, that okay, Mohit sir can do it, we can also do it.
Thank you. Thank you so much for sharing that experience. And I think it is very important before you start a journey to take your power back. So इसलिए डे वन पे हमने वो चीज़ सिखाया, बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा important था। Because lot of people, when they just start any journey or just start to manifest their goals or transform their life without doing this, it becomes very challenging for them, very difficult for them. Because you know a lot of people, they have this victim mindset. अरे इसकी वजह से मेरा ये हो रहा है, उसकी वजह से मेरा हो रहा है, and people give their power to others. So that will never help you to transform your life. So it is very important, first you take your power back, you become very confident, positive, you become empowered, and then from that mindset you go and transform your life. So very well said, Kruti. Thank you so much for sharing
Thank
your
you.
yes. ओके, और देखते हैं कौन कौन आया है। वी हैव पूजा, ये स्वाति। हाय स्वाति, गुड इवनिंग, हैप्पी टू सी यू। तो स्वाति, हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस?
Yes, Mohit. Again, the same thing. The taking your power back was so empowering because when you write things down, you actually understand the list goes on. I sent you a big list of achievements. I felt so proud of myself. And that helps you to come out of that victim mentality, as you mentioned, rightly mentioned, because we always start pointing fingers at others and don't take the responsibilities ourselves. And when we are starting something new or working on ourselves, when we list things down, it gives us a picture of what we have already accomplished, which means our dreams are possible, which means we can achieve anything which we put our mind to. So that was most important thing. And also the negative clearing is also, belief clearing is also very very important, because we don't understand subconsciously we have those blockages. So once we start writing them down and putting them together, we find a way to overcome this. But otherwise those are just like programmed in our minds since childhood and it keeps on playing, and unknowingly that becomes a blockages. So those help me a lot. And as always I say, these processes that you give us, those are amazing, those help us so much, and I have grown as a person in the last 1 year so much with your help.
Thank you so much, Swati. And it's again, I agree with you 100% that lot of times, हम अपने blockages के बारे में सोचते नहीं है. हमको ये डायरेक्शन में लोग सिर्फ ज़्यादातर लोग गोल्स मैनिफेस्ट करना है, ये अचीव करना है, वो अचीव करना है, उसके बारे में ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं, जो अच्छी बात है. बट along with that, you should also think about why I'm here right now. What are my blockages? How can I improve myself? What is stopping me to achieve my goal? What is stopping me to become the best version of myself? So जब आप ये सवाल खुद से पूछते हो, then you start getting the answers. Okay, these are my blockages. So बहुत लोग ये चीज़ नहीं करते. It is very important to analyze yourself, analyze your programming, find what are your mental blockages, and work one by one, start working on them and start removing them. जैसे आप खुद के ब्लॉकेजेस को हटाते जाओगे, ऐसे ही लाइफ में और आगे आप ग्रो करते जाओगे और आप सक्सेसफुल बन सकते हो लाइफ में. सो बोथ दिस प्रैक्टिसेस आर इक्वली वेरी पावरफुल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड मैं चाहता हूँ कि हर एक इंसान करे इस वर्कशॉप में. आई थिंक अराउंड 450-500 पीपल ज्वाइन दिस वर्कशॉप. More than 300-350 people messaged me this practice day 1, day 2, and I am very happy to see that a lot of people are seeing the transformation and that motivation to change themselves and make 2025 the best year of their life. So happy to see you guys participating with full energy, and you guys are really really amazing. Thank you so much. Yes. So today I would like to start with one question. मैं एक सवाल सबसे पूछना चाहता हूँ, एंड आप सब लोग आंसर नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में देना, ठीक है? वी हैव अ कमेंट चैट सेक्शन बिलो. सो वॉट एवर यू फील दिस द आंसर, प्लीज कमेंट बिलो इन दिस चैट सेक्शन. सो टेल मी, व्हाट इज कॉमन बिटवीन विराट कोहली, नरेंद्र मोदी and Elon Musk? What is common between these three people? क्या लगता है? Please comment in the chat section and let me know. They all are visionaries. Okay. Energy. Good. Never give up attitude. Okay. Consistency. Okay. Good, Shreya. Yes. Risk taking capabilities. Nice. They are focused. Okay. They are successful. Very good, Garima. They all are very successful people. That's true. Positive attitude, energy. Yes. They are at the top of their game. Very true, Shruti. Very true. Big dreams. Yes. Again, very important point. So, thank you guys. Thank you everyone for sharing. They all take high risk. Okay. Yes. And consistent with the success. Yes. They all have achieved what they wanted. Yes, very true. Thank you, Pooja. Thank you so much. So I think all of you have given somewhat right answers. The common between these three people, first of all, they all are successful in their own respective fields, right? ये तीनों personalities बहुत successful है. But one thing which is common in all three of them is that all the three of them, like, they are unstoppable. If you just look at their life, every year after year, they are growing and they are becoming better and better and better. लास्ट 10 साल में देखो आप, इलॉन मस्क का लाइफ देखो, उनका जो स्केल देखो. विराट कोहली का लास्ट 10-15 साल में देखो कितना ग्रो किया है, कितना सक्सेसफुल वो बना है. नरेंद्र मोदी लास्ट 12 years, 15 years, you just check the history. They try to become better and better and better every year after year, and they are unstoppable, right? A lot of people don't understand what is the meaning of unstoppable. मैं ये word हमारे 3 days workshop में भी use कर रहा था. Do you want to be unstoppable, right? So what is the real meaning of unstoppable? Let me just explain you in just couple of lines. Becoming unstoppable means that you are continuously growing and becoming better person every year after year. You are continuously improving in your career, in your health, in your relationship, in your happiness level, in every area of your life. You are improving and you are getting better and better and better, and you are becoming the best version of yourself. Like, imagine करो, आप हर साल अपने लाइफ को नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जा रहे हो. यू आर बिकमिंग अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ देन यू आर इन द लास्ट ईयर. every year you are growing, you are seeing more success in your life, you're seeing more success in your health, in your relationship, in your finance, in your career. That is the definition of being unstoppable. So, guys, my next question is, how many of you want to be unstoppable in 2025? Please comment below and let me know in the chat section. Okay, yes, Pooja, thank you so much. Garima, thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay, that's great. That's great. Thank you, Gracia. Thank you, Pooja. Very good. Nice. Swati, thank you. Thank you, guys. So I think every one of you want to be successful in 2025. Every one of you want to be, unstoppable in 2025, right? But how to be unstoppable? What are the key ingredients that makes a person successful and unstoppable? ऐसे हमको अपने अंदर क्या डालना पड़ेगा या क्या सीखना पड़ेगा जिससे हम अनस्टॉपेबल बन सकते हैं, सक्सेसफुल बन सकते हैं, एंड एवरी डे आफ्टर डे वी कैन ग्रो एंड कीप ऑन improving in every single area of life. So there are 7 key ingredients, and I'm going to share those 7 key ingredients with all of you today. And please take a pen, paper, diary, something like, मैं 2 मिनट का टाइम दे रहा हूँ आप सबको. Take a pen, paper, notebook, tablet where you can make notes of the 7 key ingredients which can make you unstoppable in 2025. Okay? If once you are ready, just let me know. नीचे chat section में comment कर देना ready, तो मैं start करूँगा. I'm giving you 30 seconds more. Okay? Thank you, Shruti, Karima. Yes. Okay. Shreya, thank you. Shreya, yes, 2 more minutes. It's okay. Take your time. Take your time. Get your pen, papers, diary with you. This is actually the reason why I was planning to conduct this Zoom meeting, to share this 7 key ingredients. This is very important. And if you do this, you will be unstoppable in 2025 for sure. Okay. So guys, if you are ready, just comment below ready so that I can start sharing about the 7 key ingredients which will help you to be unstoppable in 2025. Yes. Okay. Shreya, ready? Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Gracia. Yes.
Actually, I'm just going from kitchen to the room. Just 1 minute more.
Okay, okay. Yes. I'm giving you 1 minute. No worries.
Thank you so much.
Yes. कोई नहीं, हमारे पास बहुत टाइम है. Yes. ओके, तो हमारे पास 1 मिनट है. तो बिफोर आई स्टार्ट शेयरिंग, anyone of you can guess, you can please comment in the chat section, what can be those key ingredients? क्या लगता है आपको? कोई एक आंसर आप शेयर कर सकते हो. Any one thing that you feel that yes, this is the key ingredient to be unstoppable. Discipline. Okay, Huzafa, nice answer. Consistency, gratitude. Okay. Taking action. Very good. Positive mindset, discipline. Okay. Nice answer, Garima. Fire within self. Wow. Very good, Roma. Very good. Learning new things. Nice answer, Gracia. That's really good. Okay. Never say no attitude. Wow. Keep going on and on. Okay, Shruti. Nice. बहुत अच्छे अच्छे आंसर्स दे रहे हो आप लोग आज. Learning and implementing things in life. Yes. Yes. Visualization. Okay. ओके, ठीक है. थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग. अब मैं आपको अभी तो नहीं बताऊंगा सही क्या आंसर है, गलत क्या है, बट आई विल शेयर द 7 key ingredients with you. And you just make a note one by one, and I will explain you all the 7 points in detail, like 2 minutes, 5 minutes each. ठीक है? right? Shreya, if you are ready, let me know.
Yes, yes, I'm back. Thank you so much.
Okay, great. So let's start. Guys, I'm going to share with you seven key ingredients to become unstoppable in 2025. The first ingredient is positive and growth mindset. Very important. Everything starts with the mindset. So if you have a growth mindset, if you have a positive and growth mindset, only then you can transform your life and be unstoppable. Now, again, a lot of people don't know what is the meaning of growth mindset. ग्रोथ माइंडसेट क्या होता है और कैसे लोगों का होता है, ठीक है, ये मैं थोड़ा सा समझा देता हूँ. द मीनिंग ऑफ ग्रोथ माइंडसेट इज दैट every single day, if you think, if you start your day by saying that यार आज कुछ मुझे नया सीखना है, I want to learn something new today, I want to become better today than I was yesterday. अगर आपकी सोच ऐसी हो, अगर आप इस थॉट प्रोसेस से लाइफ जीते हो कि यार आज मुझे कल से बेहतर बनना है, आज मुझे कुछ नया सीखना है. So if you have this mindset, this is called growth mindset. And you will see that every successful person, जो तीन लोगों का मैंने नाम लिया है ना, these three people, and there are many more successful people in this world, they are successful because they are consistently learning new things and becoming better and better and better day by day. तो वो तभी पॉसिबल है जब आपका माइंडसेट ऐसा हो. अगर आप ये सोचो कि यार आई एम हैप्पी द वे आई एम आई एम सेटिस्फाइड विथ माई लाइफ, मुझे सब कुछ आता है, मुझे कुछ सीखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है लाइफ में, तो आपका गेम ओवर है. फिर आप कभी ग्रो नहीं कर पाओगे लाइफ में. अगर आपको लगता है मुझे सब कुछ आता है तो उधर ही गेम खत्म हो जाता है, राइट? सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव अ ग्रोथ माइंडसेट, एंड एवरीवन कैन हैव अ ग्रोथ माइंडसेट. थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है, अपने माइंड को प्रोग्राम करना पड़ता है, मे बी 21 days, 30 days, बट every person, every one of you can have a growth mindset and a positive mindset with growth, right? So सबसे पहले हमको काम करना है हमारे mindset के ऊपर. Now the second key ingredient, please write it down again, I am sharing. The second key ingredient is clarity of your purpose. You need to have a clarity of your purpose. What do I want to do in my life in the next 1 year? What are my goals for the next 1 year? How I want to improve in my career in the next 1 year? How I want to improve in my health in the next 1 year? What improvements I want to make in my self love in the next 1 year? How much I want to work on my mental health? तो आपके क्या गोल्स है, क्या डिजायर्स है, क्या पर्पस है लाइफ में, क्या करना चाहते हो, उसका क्लैरिटी होना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आपको यही नहीं पता है आपको क्या करना है आगे, तो फिर आई डोंट थिंक यू कैन बी अनस्टॉपेबल. आई डोंट थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन योर लाइफ in the next 1 year. So getting that clarity is very important. Having that clarity of purpose that 2025 में मुझे ये करना है, मुझे ये इम्प्रूव करना है, मुझे ये इम्प्रूव करना है, मुझे अपने हेल्थ में मुझे शुगर कम करना है, मुझे एक्सरसाइज रेगुलर करना है, मुझे मैराथन रन करना है, मुझे ये करना है. सो यू शुड हैव दैट क्लैरिटी. यू शुड नो व्हाट आर योर गोल्स. और यहाँ पे मैं सबको बोलना चाहूँगा कि 2025 के गोल्स बनाओ. बहुत ज़रूरी है. आपके लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स क्या है, हर एक एरिया में गोल्स बनाओ. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव दैट क्लैरिटी ऑफ पर्पस. व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू इन योर लाइफ फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 year. ठीक है, तो दिस इज अ सेकंड की इंग्रेडिएंट विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी अनस्टॉपेबल. नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड की इंग्रेडिएंट, प्लीज मेक अ नोट ऑफ दिस. द थर्ड की इंग्रेडिएंट इज रेजिलियंस. Resilience is very important. Write it down. Resilience. Resilience का मतलब है to bounce back every time you fall. No one can be 100% every single day, to be very frank. हम 2 दिन 3 दिन वर्कशॉप की बात नहीं कर रहे, हम 365 days की बात कर रहे हैं. एक साल, आप एक साल सेम लेवल पे नहीं रह सकते हो. आप एक साल सेम कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ 100% एनर्जी पे नहीं रह सकते हो. कभी कभी ऐसा होगा दैट इट इज योर लो डे, समटाइम्स यू आर नॉट फीलिंग गुड, समटाइम्स समथिंग अनएक्सपेक्टेड हैपन्स अराउंड यू, योर फैमिली, दैट यू ब्रेक डाउन, समटाइम्स मेंटली यू गेट डिस्टर्ब. तो 2-4 दिन आपके खराब जा रहे हैं, ऐसा होगा. किसी के 100% डेज बेस्ट डेज नहीं होता है. बट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज नॉट दैट यू आर फॉलिंग or you're failing. The most important thing is how fast you can bounce back. Everyone fails. Everyone has bad days. मेरे भी इस साल में बहुत दिन ऐसे आते हैं कि दिन खराब गया, जैसे मैंने सोचा ऐसा नहीं गया है. But the most important thing is how fast I am going to bounce back. 2-3 दिन कुछ काम नहीं हुआ, माइंडसेट ठीक नहीं है, होता है, मूड खराब चल रहा है, होता है. बट आप कितना जल्दी बाउंस बैक कर रहे हो, कितना फास्ट कर रहे हो, दैट इज योर रेजिलियंस. एंड हैविंग दैट रेजिलियंस, नो मैटर व्हाट, आई एम गोइंग टू बाउंस बैक. कितना भी खराब टाइम चल रहा है, आई विल बाउंस बैक, आई विल बाउंस बैक फास्टर. दैट इज गोइंग टू मेक यू अनस्टॉपेबल. बहुत लोग गिव अप कर देते हैं. बहुत लोग मैंने देखा है कि यार मैंने 10 दिन मेडिटेशन किया, मेरा लाइफ में कोई चेंज नहीं आया, चलो छोड़ दो, ये तो काम नहीं कर रहा है. मैंने ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस किया 10-20 दिन, लाइफ में कोई चेंज नहीं आया, चलो छोड़ दो, गिव अप. अरे 10 दिन में थोड़ी लाइफ चेंज होने वाली किसी की. लॉट ऑफ पीपल गिव अप वेरी फास्ट. आजकल पीपल हैव बिकम इम्पेशेंट, एंड it is because of lot of things that is happening around us. If you see the world, our world has become very fast. सब कुछ फास्ट मिल रहा है, सब कुछ हाथ में मिल रहा है. पिज्ज़ा खाना है, जोमेटो पे ऑर्डर करो, 20 मिनट में आ जाएगा. Social media, you see that 30 seconds clip and everything you see very fast. So you want everything to come in your life very fast. But that is not going to happen in every area. You need to understand that you have to be patient. You need to understand there will be some bad days, but you need to bounce back. And that is very, very, very important key ingredient to be unstoppable. जो लोग गिव अप कर देते हैं वो कभी सक्सेस तक नहीं पहुंचता है. जो लोग बाउंस बैक करते रहते हैं, चाहे 4 दिन खराब गए लेकिन आई विल बाउंस बैक. 3 दिन जिम नहीं गया, मेरे साथ ऐसे बहुत बार हुआ है साल में. 3 दिन कंटिन्यूसली जिम नहीं गया, 4 दिन मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ, जिम नहीं गया, 5 दिन नहीं गया. बट एवरी सिंगल टाइम आई हैव बाउंस बैक and I have started again no matter what happened. So that resilience is very important. Okay. So let me go to the next level, the fourth key ingredient. Daily success habits. Write it down. The fourth key ingredient is daily success habits. There are certain habits which are very powerful, which will help you to become more and more successful. And we call it success habits. So success habits ऐसे कुछ कुछ चीज़ें हैं जिनको हैबिट बना देना चाहिए. बहुत ज़रूरी है कि छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं बट ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. लाइक वेक अप अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, start your day with positivity, exercise regularly, practice gratitude, practice meditation. ये सबको एक हैबिट बना दो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. Gratitude should be your attitude. Make your happiness your number one priority. Improve, work on your self-love, right? Give more happiness, give more love in this world. What goes around comes around. We all know that, right? So ये सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें, बट इसको हैबिट बनाओगे तो ये आपके सक्सेस में आपको हेल्प करेगी. Keep on helping other people. Do some or other kind of contributions every week, every month. Start your day and end your day with positivity. Live in the present, enjoy the present. Mindfulness. I talk on mindfulness so many times. काफी workshops भी किए हमने इसके ऊपर. Living mindfully very important. तो ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं. अगर आप इसको अपने हैबिट्स बना दोगे तो you are actually creating good, positive success habits in your day-to-day life. And these habits are going to help you be unstoppable. जो लोग ये चीज़ फॉलो नहीं करते हैं, जिनके हैबिट्स नेगेटिव हैबिट्स होते हैं, जैसे बहुत लोग रात को 2-2 बजे सोते हैं, बहुत लोग सोशल मीडिया पे 3-3 4-4 घंटे बैठते हैं, मूवीज देखते रहते हैं, दे प्रिफर हैंगिंग आउट विथ फ्रेंड्स लेट नाइट रेदर देन वर्किंग ऑन देमसेल्व्स. कुछ नया नहीं सीखते हैं. तो ये सब हैबिट्स होगी अगर आपकी, तो यू विल नेवर बी एबल टू बी सक्सेसफुल इन लाइफ. So you need to change your habits. You need to adopt good habits and success habits. I already shared, I think, 4-5 examples. क्या क्या habits होनी चाहिए, right? So going to the fifth point, the fifth key ingredient, that is emotional mastery. Very important key ingredient. You need to be emotionally strong. If you are not emotionally strong, if you take decisions based on your emotions, you will be out. बहुत लोग मैंने देखा इमोशनल डिसीजंस लेते हैं, यू नो, गुस्सा आ रहा है, लो फील हो रहा है, चलो आइसक्रीम खाना शुरू कर देते हैं, ये खाना बिंज ईटिंग करना शुरू कर देते हैं, बिंज वॉचिंग करना शुरू कर देते हैं फॉर जस्ट टेम्पररी हैप्पीनेस. लॉट ऑफ पीपल बाय थिंग्स just because of those emotional moments in their life. होता है ना सबके साथ, right? So you need to master your emotions. If you don't master your emotions, then your emotions are going to play with you for your entire life, and they will never allow you to be successful or grow in life. So it's very important that we master our emotions. Emotional health, emotional mastery is very, very important in life. Okay. Going to the sixth key ingredient. 5 तो हो गए, चलो अभी मैं 6th बता रहा हूँ. 6th key ingredient is also very important. We need to have a strong support system. Strong support system is the 6th key ingredient. आप देखना जितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोग होंगे ना, उनके आसपास उनका एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम होगा. Either whether they are their coach or help or like friend or family members, like they have 2, 3, 4 people around them who are always supporting them no matter what. They are there to mentally support them, emotionally support them, they are there to motivate them. जितने भी सक्सेसफुल लोग देखोगे, they have a strong support system. So when you have a strong support system, what happens is, even if you are failing, if you're falling down, there are 4 people who will come to lift you up. Are you getting the point? अगर आपके लाइफ में खराब टाइम आएंगे या साल में कुछ दिन ऐसे आएंगे जब आप लो फील कर रहे हो, आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिल रहा है, आप जो करना चाहते हो नहीं कर पा रहे हो, देयर विल बी 3 to 4 people around you who will talk to you, motivate you, help you go through that time and again bounce back faster. So this is very important that we have a strong support system. वो कोई भी हो सकता है, वो आपके फैमिली मेंबर हो सकते हैं, वो आपके कोई कोच हो सकते हैं, कोई मेंटर हो सकते हैं, कोई भी हो सकता है. बट अगर आपके लाइफ में से 2-4 लोग हैं, then you will be unstoppable. You will be successful. You will become the best version of yourself in the year 2025. Right? And now the 7th key ingredient, but before the 7th तक जाने से पहले मैं सबसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि अब तक जितने भी की इंग्रेडिएंट मैंने शेयर किए हैं, the first 6, किसी को कोई क्वेश्चंस है? Let's discuss that. Anyone has any questions? You can raise your hand. There's a button below. You can raise your hand, and I would like to answer to your questions. Rohit is saying 5th one, please repeat. Yeah, Rohit, sure. So the 5th key ingredient is emotional mastery. Emotional mastery means that you need to be emotionally strong person. Don't allow your emotions to take decisions in life. Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel great, sometimes we also feel low, but don't take any decisions in life based on your emotions. You need to be emotionally strong, you need to be mentally strong. This is very, very important. Okay. I think Shruti just raised her hand. Shruti, do you have any question? Yes.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to ask regarding this emotion, don't not to take decisions based on the emotions. So does that mean we need to take practical decisions always, like even in personal life?
Hmm. Not practical always, but I think the best way to take decision is to follow your heart. Take decision based on your intuition. So intuitive decisions are the best decisions. So if your intuitions are strong, always follow that. And yeah, the small decisions that we take in our life, again, you should take it from what you are, what your heart says, like what your body is saying. For example, अगर आज मुझे अगर कल मुझे लेट्स से ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, ठीक है, तो मैं मॉर्निंग में डिसाइड करता हूँ, तो आई आस्क माई बॉडी लाइक व्हाट आर यू फीलिंग लाइक ईटिंग. सो आई लिसन टू माई बॉडी एंड आई टेक द डिसीजन, ओके आज मुझे ये खाने का मन कर रहा है तो मैं ये खाऊंगा. बट इमोशंस क्या होता है कि कभी इमोशंस हमारे पूरे दिन में अप डाउन होता है. बट जब हमारे इमोशंस अप डाउन हो रहे हैं, मूड स्विंग्स हो रहे हैं, कभी बहुत हाई फील होता है, कभी बहुत लो फील होता है, उसके बेसिस पे हमें कोई हार्ड डिसीशंस नहीं लेने चाहिए लाइफ में. आपको आपको डिसाइड करना है कि लेट्स से आई वांट टू, लाइक यू आर सीइंग अ गाय, आई वांट टू गो अहेड विद दिस गाय और नॉट. So if you're taking such big decisions, don't take it in a day, because आपके दिन में बहुत इमोशंस अप डाउन हो, कभी लगेगा हाँ, कभी लगेगा ना. बट when you start, what you say, when you put your emotions aside and connect with your inner self, with your intuitive self, in your inner self, and then ask that what do you feel, and then you take decisions based on your intuitions. I think that is the best way to take decisions in life. So again, this is something which comes with practice. आप जितना ज़्यादा डीप जाओगे, प्रैक्टिस करोगे, अपने आप से कनेक्ट होगे श्रुति, उतना ये थोड़ा इजी होगा. अभी मैं समझा रहा हूँ तो शायद इतना इजी नहीं लगेगा आपको, बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगेगा इनिशियली. पर जितना आप खुद के साथ कनेक्ट होते जाओगे, जितना आप इंट्यूटिव होते जाओगे, उतना वो इजी रहेगा. ओके,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच. स्वाति, you wanted to share something? No?
I had a similar question because the emotional mastery, I also have the problem when you were saying we binge eat sometimes, binge watch sometimes, and there was a recent meme as well which applies to me that I start adding things to the cart on shopping online whenever you're frustrated or something. So I try to understand how to navigate through those emotions, because sometimes you feel like you are taking care of yourself by listening to your emotions, but that's actually not right. It's a negative way of dealing with things. So I wanted to understand that a little bit, but you explained it very well that we need to understand our intuition and give it a break. Just process those emotions, take a day or two, and then understand, do you really need to go through all those things or not?
ट्रू ट्रू. हमको पता है कि ये नहीं है हमारे हेल्थ के लिए, फिर भी जब हमको वो हम बहुत आइसक्रीम खा रहे हैं, पूरा पूरा टब भर के खा रहे हैं, हमको पता है कि हमारे हेल्थ को बहुत नुकसान करेगा, फिर भी खा रहे हो, तो इस तरीके के डिसीजंस नहीं लेने हैं. एंड बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमको पता है ये चीज़ अच्छी है, बट फिर भी हम नहीं करते. जैसे बहुत लोगों को पता है कि एक्सरसाइज करना अच्छा है, उससे हमारा हेल्थ अच्छा होगा, इम्प्रूव होगा, बट लॉट ऑफ पीपल दे ज्वाइन जिम बट स्टिल दे डोंट फील लाइक गोइंग टू जिम. ऐसे बहुत होता है. मेरे साथ भी ऐसा बहुत बार होता है, कभी कभी सुबह को उठने का मन नहीं करता है 5:30 बजे, ऐसे लगता है यार कौन जिम जाएगा. बट देन आई टेल माई सेल्फ लाइक, मोहित, यू want to stay fit, that is the reason you are going to gym. You want to become more and more healthier day by day, that is the reason you go to gym. So I motivate myself, and I have such a beautiful wife who also keeps on motivating me that yes, you want to stay fit, that is why you are going to gym, so let's go together. I say, so your emotions, sometimes this is the right thing to do, but emotionally you are not feeling, but still you should do that, because when you do it, after you do those certain activities, you automatically feel good and you feel that yes, I took the right decision. तो ये चीज़ आप सबके साथ होगी लाइफ में, कभी ना कभी आप एक्सपीरियंस करोगे ही करोगे. यस यस, कृति, यू वांट टू शेयर समथिंग? यस, प्लीज unmute yourself.
The first point that you said, having positive and growth mindset, you explained growth mindset, but regarding positive mindset, lots of people have confusion and different definitions of positive mindset. Could you explain that?
Yes, sure. So positive mindset का मतलब ये है that in life, whatever your goals are, whatever you are planning to do, we all want to become better. We all want to become unstoppable in 2025. So you have to believe in yourself. You need to believe in your dreams. You need to believe in your goals. You need to believe in yourself. You need to focus on keeping your thoughts and beliefs positive. That is what positive mindset is all about. अच्छे दिन आएंगे, कभी बुरे दिन भी आएंगे, इट्स ओके, नो वरीज। ऐसा कभी नहीं होने वाला कि आपके 365 में से 365 डेज बहुत अच्छे होंगे। कुछ कुछ दिन ऐसे होंगे जब आपके साथ कुछ खराब भी हो सकता है। यू माइट फील लो समडे, यू माइट फील एंग्री समडे, यू माइट गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड समडे, इट्स ओके, दैट्स completely fine. But still, having a faith on you, believing in yourself that I can become better every day after day. I can achieve my goals, my dreams. That is a positive mindset, which is very important to have. Okay, Kruti, I hope you got the answer. Yes,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
thank you so much. Yes. So I have explained the first six key ingredients, and Shreya is asking why is it so difficult to follow all these steps. It is difficult because we have not trained ourselves, Shreya. लाइफ में अगर आपने कभी कुछ किया नहीं है तो वो डिफिकल्टी लगता है इनिशियली, पर जब आप करते हो, जब आप उसके ऊपर काम करते हो, 1 महीना करोगे, 2 महीना करोगे, 3 महीना करोगे, और जब रिजल्ट दिखना शुरू हो जाएगा तो फिर आपको बहुत ईजी लगता है. सो इनिशियली एवरीथिंग feels difficult because we have never tried it or we have never worked on them. Okay, so that is why initially it feels difficult, but to be very frank, I have worked on all these 7 areas, so I know it is not that difficult. Yes, you need to be patient, so ऐसा time देना पड़ेगा, धीरे धीरे वो transformation आता है. So if you are ready to give time, you will get results. Okay, so coming to the seventh key ingredient, guys, let me complete, and I want to share this final key ingredient again, very important, and a lot of people fail here. A lot of people fail here, and this key ingredient is taking inspired actions. Please write down the seventh key ingredient is taking inspired actions. Taking actions toward your goals, towards your growth is very important. आपने ये चीज़ डिसाइड कर ली कि मुझे 2025 में अपना हेल्थ इंप्रूव करना है, मेरे हेल्थ गोल्स ये है, आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मेरे बिजनेस गोल्स ये है, मेरे करियर गोल्स ये है, आपने अपने सारे गोल्स को बहुत क्लैरिटी के साथ डिफाइन कर दिया और आपने अपने माइंडसेट के ऊपर भी काम करना शुरू कर दिया. बट इफ यू डोंट take actions which are needed to achieve your goals, then nothing is going to happen. अगर मैंने गोल बनाया है कि मुझे मैराथन भागना है 21 किलोमीटर्स, ठीक है, बट अगर मैं प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करूंगा तो डू यू थिंक आई कैन रन 21 किलोमीटर्स ऑन दैट डे? इट विल बी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, right? So taking actions towards your goals are very, very important. This is very important. And those people who take actions towards their goals, they are the ones who are unstoppable. इवन जब हम लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन के वर्कशॉप करते हैं उसमें भी मैं ये चीज़ सिखाता हूँ, टेक इंस्पायर्ड एक्शंस. आपने गोल लिखा, विजुलाइज किया, बट उसके बाद इंस्पायर्ड एक्शन भी लेना है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक पॉजिटिव एक्शंस, इंस्पायर्ड एक्शंस. It is very, very important. You might get opportunities when you visualize your goals. You can attract opportunities, but उसके बाद क्या, एक्शन तो लेना ही पड़ेगा, तभी तो जाके आप उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को ग्रैब कर पाओगे. So taking action is very, very important. All right. So we have one or two questions. Shreya is having a question: how to be sure of some goals, especially if it is for the first time. Shreya, can you please unmute yourself and explain me the question? मुझे question समझ में नहीं आया. Can you please unmute and ask it like properly? What exactly is your question? But guys,
Okay, yeah, sure. So basically the question is that let's say if I am into a job and I'm planning for some business.
yes.
So the goal is not to be a successful business person, but the goal is to start the business or maybe, just run the thing. So since this is for the first time, or if it's for a marathon itself, and if I've never done this, I am a, छोटा रनर कि ठीक है 100 मीटर 200 मीटर रेस किया है,
Yes.
but so how will I get clarity or surety?
What surety do you want?
to visualize or maybe to meditate or to understand that if I'm going on this path or I'm I want to start this journey, will I be able to even achieve something?
So for
Or
yeah, everything is possible. Everything. लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा जो अचीवेबल नहीं है. तो जो सोच सकते हो सब कुछ अचीव हो सकता है. द क्वेश्चन शुड बी दैट can I do this or not? If you are confident, positive, if you have that success mindset, then yes, it is possible. But
so
if
the
you,
exact question is कि can I do this में do this exact क्या है वो पता ही नहीं. That's what I'm saying. कि एक मैराथन रन करने के लिए what all it takes वो आज पता ही नहीं है. But since I'm making it as a goal, so how will I today I be sure of?
yes, so now that is the question that you don't know how it is going to happen. You don't know how you are going to reach your goal, right? That's something that you don't know. And most of the time, no one knows about how it is going to. मैक्सिमम टाइम ऐसा ही होता है. मैंने एक गोल बनाया था 2018 में कि मुझे अपने बिजनेस में 1 करोड़ रुपए कमाने हैं इस साल. मुझे नहीं पता था कैसे होगा. आई हैड नो आइडिया, नो क्लू, बट बिलीव्ड इन इट. I believed in myself. I used to visualize it. I used to take positive actions. I used to get opportunities. I used to grab it. And at the end of the year, I made 99 lakh rupees that year.
Oh, so it is like बस करना है. Not sure how.
You have to trust yourself. You have to believe in your dreams. You have to trust the process. Just focus on the next 2 steps. That's it. Just focus on the
Okay.
next step. आप गुड़गांव में रहते हो. आप अगर लेट
Yes.
को अपने घर जाना है जयपुर, रात को कार में निकले हो अपने हस्बैंड के साथ, तो लेट्स को 10 बजे निकले हो और आपको 4 घंटे लगेंगे पहुंचने में. तो जो रास्ता है कितना कुछ, आई थिंक 100 किलोमीटर 200 किलोमीटर जितना है, राइट?
Right.
कैन यू सी दैट 150 किलोmeters?
नहीं, it's just that I have to start from my house first. Yeah.
You can only see the next maybe 10-20 meters with your headlight.
True.
But you
अभी
trust
विंटर्स में तो वो भी नहीं दिखेगा. अब still we go.
exactly, हार्डली 2-5 मीटर दिखेगा, right?
Exactly.
आप ट्रस्ट करते हो कि नहीं हम धीरे धीरे जाएंगे आराम से और पहुंच जाएंगे, राइट? तो
Got
सेम
it.
तो अपने गोल्स के ऊपर भी ट्रस्ट करना है, अपने ड्रीम्स के ऊपर. यू डोंट सी द एंटायर रोड मैप राइट नाउ. आपको नहीं पता, बट इफ यू ट्रस्ट द नेक्स्ट फ्यू स्टेप्स and then next few steps and then next few steps, then the road automatically unfold itself in front of you.
Got it. Totally.
Right? So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So guys, I've shared the 7 key ingredients with all of you today. How many of you, again I want to ask this question, how many of you want to be unstoppable in 2025? Please comment below in the chat section. I've shared with you the 7 key ingredients here, which is very important. ये 7 चीज़ें हम सबको सीखनी पड़ेगी, और आप जैसे ही सीखोगे अपने अंदर ये चीज़ें डालोगे, automatically you will start seeing a lot of success coming in your life. You'll be able to achieve your goals, you'll be able to grow, and you will become the best version of yourself in 2025. Thank you so much, Swati, Gracia, Sapna, Shweta. Thank you so much for your answers. Nice. Okay, so one good news is that I have decided and I'm going to help 100 people to become unstoppable. Yes. मैंने कल अपने वर्कशॉप में शेयर किया था. आई एम स्टार्टिंग अ 30 days ग्रोथ माइंडसेट प्रोग्राम फ्रॉम 1st January, एंड आई थिंक पहले दिन ही कुछ 35-40 मेंबर्स ने मैसेज कर दिया है एंड दे हैव बुक्ड देयर सीट्स. वेरी हैप्पी. I'm going to take only 100 people, but yes, I will help you to induce this 7 skill sets inside you in the 30 days time periods. ये सातों चीज़ें मैं आपको प्रैक्टिस करवा के अपने अंदर कैसे इंक्लूड करना है, अपने माइंडसेट के अंदर कैसे ग्रोथ माइंडसेट बनाना है, कैसे वो क्लैरिटी बनाने, कैसे गोल्स लिखने हैं, कैसे रेजिलियंस अपना बढ़ाना है, हाउ टू बाउंस बैक फास्टर, वो कैसे करना है, डेली सक्सेस हैबिट्स क्या क्या डालनी है, ये सारी चीज़ों पे इमोशनल मास्टरी कैसे करना है. आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू, आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यू प्रैक्टिस डेली till you master it, and I will help you to master the 7 key ingredients in just 30 days time period. And not only that, you will see results in 30 days. In 30 days, you will become one of the best versions of yourself and you will be unstoppable 100. तो ये जो मैं ग्रुप बना रहा हूँ, एक ग्रुप में मैं एक बहुत अच्छा टाइटल डाला है मैंने, अनस्टॉपेबल 100. So this unstoppable 100 are going to be 100 successful people who are going to be unstoppable in the year 2025. Guys, if you want to be a part of this, where I will personally mentor you and personally help you, and मैं हर एक इंसान के साथ 1-to-1 कॉल करूंगा, उनके challenges, उनके goals को discuss करूंगा, and then I will create a success plan for every single one of you in this program. And if you're ready to be unstoppable, message me on my WhatsApp number and book your seats. All right. So wish you all the best, guys. And मैं तो सबके लिए चाहता हूँ, जितने भी मेरे students हैं, मैं सबके लिए चाहता हूँ कि I wish you all have a best and the best of year of 2025. I wish you all the success. I wish you have growth mindset. I wish you all become unstoppable in the year 2025. So thank you guys for joining me today. ये वीडियो के जो रिकॉर्डिंग है वो भी मैं ग्रुप में शेयर करने वाला हूँ, बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल वांट टू वॉच बट दे आर स्टिल इन देयर ऑफिसेस. Some of them are traveling, so I will share this in the WhatsApp group in the next 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. So thank you guys for listening to me. Thank you for being part of this amazing 3 days, Dream Life workshop, and lots of love you all. Thank you. Love you. Take care and see you guys soon. Good night.
Thank you, Mohit.